So what we'd already learnt was how to actually create a shape using the turtle, and I was saying to you that I was going to show you how to make the screen bigger. Hopefully you figured out that where it says width and height is where you would actually make the changes. So for example, if I change the width to 800 and the height, let's say, to 950, then that should change the size of my platform that the shape is created on. We're going to give this a try. Now, I have actually put in an error into the code. So I would like you also to have a look and see if you can actually find where the error is, because what is going to come up is not the shape you would expect. So let's have a look. We shall start this and we'll see what comes up. Let's click on OK here. Oh, what has gone wrong with my shape? So firstly, you can see that the screen size has increased, but because I've put in a deliberate error, you'll see that the shape that we did have before, which was a beautiful shape that started and finished at the same place, is no longer the case. I want you to see if you can find the error, because sometimes an error isn't just something that we can debug and it tells us, oh, you've made a mistake here or there. Sometimes it's a mistake we've used in data entry. So have a look at the numbers, have a look at the iterations that we've got, and see if you can figure out what the mistake is and correct it.